Master these 10 powerful post-workout recovery techniques. Don't forget this. Proper post-workout recovery is essential for giving your body the chance to repair and grow stronger after exercise. Get ready to take your fitness gains to the next level. Here are 10 powerful post-workout recovery techniques that will supercharge your body's recovery and help you grow stronger after a challenging workout. 1. Hydration. Please ensure you consume ample water to properly rehydrate your body and replenish the fluids lost during physical activity. This practice will significantly benefit your body. 2. Proper nutrition. Replenish and revive your muscles with a well-rounded post-workout meal. For instance, a meal could include grilled chicken, brown rice, and steamed vegetables. This combination of protein and carbohydrates will help your muscles recover faster. 3. Stretching. Remember to include static stretches in your post-workout routine. Give your muscles the tender loving care TLC they deserve. These techniques can help them unwind and become more supple, easing discomfort. 4. Foam rolling. Are you seeking relief for those post-workout muscle aches? A foam roller is your answer. It's proven to release muscle tension, improve blood flow, and reduce soreness. Why not give it a shot and experience the amazing difference it can make in your recovery journey? 5. Ice bath or cold therapy. Have you ever tried an ice bath or cold therapy? It's a refreshing way to ease muscle soreness and inflammation after a workout. And it could be the recovery method you've been looking for. 6. Rest and sleep. Prioritize quality sleep to give your body the rest it needs to recharge and rebuild. Ensuring your muscles are well cared for is vital for repair and growth. 7. Active recovery. Boost your blood flow and aid muscle recovery with gentle activities like walking, yoga, or swimming. Get up, get moving, and experience the change. 8. Massage. Pamper your hard-working muscles with a luxurious massage. It releases tension, boosts circulation, and gives you a well-deserved pampering session. 9. Compression gear. Enhance your post-workout recovery by wearing compression garments. They boost blood flow, minimize muscle soreness, and help you bounce back faster after those intense sweat sessions. Studies have shown that compression gear can significantly improve recovery time and reduce muscle fatigue. So, why give it a try? 10. Mind-body practices. Spice up your daily routine by incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga. These practices can work wonders for reducing stress, boosting well-being, and aiding recovery. So, why not give them a whirl? Please choose at least 3 post-workout recovery techniques and incorporate them into your routine for each workout session. These techniques are practical and easy to carry out, making it a breeze to prioritize your recovery and maximize your fitness gains and overall well-being. You've got this. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed our content, please comment, subscribe, and share for more valuable tips to help you thrive in your life and career. Uwarm's Concept expresses our deepest gratitude for your incredible support as we conclude today's health and fitness journey. Remember, we aim to help you on your journey to a healthier you. Your dedication to prioritizing your health is incredibly motivating. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.